Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on Iris Snap. So Iris Snap is a tool which will allow you and your clients to digitize your receipts, invoices and purchase invoices. This data can then be published to Cashflow, allowing you to focus on doing more business advisory and other things. So today I'm going to show you the client overview screen in Iris Snap, editing a client's transaction, posting into Cashflow, splitting transactions, reviewing the data and some of the settings that we have within Iris Snap. So if you first go into the Iris Snap portal, and you can see here we're on the overview screen. On the left, I have a list of all of my clients, and on the right, we can see how many images have been sent, how many are yet to be processed, the amount they're completed, published, ready to publish, and if there's any queries on the data. So if we have a look at A and B client, we can see here we have all of the processed data. We have really useful tabs at the top here, so we can see which are ready to publish, which items have been published, and if there's any supporting information or other documents that have been sent. So if we go to the ready to publish, I can see we have two transactions. Next, I'm just going to go in and edit the transaction. It's clear we don't know which bank account this has gone from, so once you've got that information from your client, or if you're aware, you can select from the drop down. If you're integrated with Cashflow, this will take the nominal codes from Cashflow. Okay. And when we're ready, we can update that. If we go into edit this transaction, we can also scroll through to the other transaction as and when required. So that's just a quick handy feature that will let you go through all of the transactions. Now, if for argument's sake this had been incorrectly split, we can always go to post message and select what the issue is with the transaction, and we can post that to get split. So once again, I'm just going to select which bank account that's gone from, and we're going to update that, and then I can publish these transactions to Cashflow. So the transactions were made on the 19th of September. We can see the net VAT and gross value, and because we know which bank account that's gone from, I can show you those transactions into Cashflow. So for example, this chopped transaction has a gross of £6.90 and it was out of the bank 6,9,200. We'll publish to Cashflow. And if we go back to the all processed data, on the right we can see what's actually happened to that to the transactions. So I'm going to quickly jump into Cashflow and have a look at the bank code 69200. And we can see there are some transactions there. Finally, we're going to go into the settings just to show you some of the additional functions that are available. You can change the Cashflow integrations here. You can select whether your clients and you get email notifications. You can change the password, and you can add additional users. Now that's users for your practice as an accountant user, or additional users for your clients here. Okay. And that concludes this short overview of the Iris Snap portal.